All right, so you've signed up for a critical thinking course. A natural first question to ask is, what is critical thinking? That's the question that we're going to try to address in this first short little video. For starters, critical thinking is an activity. And like many other activities, such as riding a bike or playing chess or painting, it is an activity that can be done well or that can be done poorly. The goal of this course is to help you engage in the activity of critical thinking, also sometimes referred to as critical reasoning, well. Critical thinking is almost without a doubt an activity you already engage in all the time, whether it's listening to commentators on the nightly news, or reading the opinion pieces or editorials in the newspaper, or even if you're just reading through an argument on Facebook and you're trying to figure out whether or not the points people are making are any good. All these are examples of critical thinking. Good critical thinking, in addition to being an activity, is also a skill. And like many other skills, such as riding a bike, playing chess, or painting, it is a skill that you can acquire via training. This course will provide you with the basic training needed in order to critically reason well. Now, a number of different, more specific activities can count as types of critical thinking. Your book lists a whole bunch, and I've listed some of them here. So amongst the activities included are analyzing the meaning of information, checking information for accuracy and completeness, putting various pieces of information together in a coherent way, comprehending instructions and advice, following directions, solving problems, questioning matters that do not make sense, judging what information is relevant to a particular issue and whether that information is evidence for the truth of some assertion, attempting to avoid mistakes in thinking, called fallacies, marshalling evidence when it is needed to support some statement. This is a task of constructing arguments, something we're going to look at an awful lot in this course, and making decisions in light of the information available. Our focus in this course is going to be 4 different activities associated with critical thinking. 1, analyzing meanings, so that we can understand and respond appropriately to what's being communicated. 2, recognizing arguments and evaluating their strengths. 3, recognizing and avoiding mistakes in reasoning, called fallacies. And 4, making decisions in light of available information or evidence. So, starting next video, we'll jump into those activities. See you then.